Hey, it's your boy Adventure Jeremy out here today. We're going to do a little install of a J&L oil separator for a 3.6 for a JL Wrangler. I've already put one over there on the Gladiator already. Really like it, so I decided to get another one and put on this one. First time I did it, should have made a video to show you guys how easy it is to put one of these on. So without further ado, we're going to open up this box right here and we're going to get it started. All right. So, this is pretty much what it looks like right here. There's your bracket, got a couple screws, and then it's got these little push tabs in there that's gonna lock in when you lock it into the factory location. All right, so the first thing you gotta do is you're gonna have to remove the factory cover. But this one doesn't have a factory cover, so I don't have to worry about taking off the top. Why this one doesn't have it, I don't know. It's a good question, because this is my 2023. It's not like my Gladiator. Huh, first time I ever noticed that. All right, so this one doesn't have a cover over top of it. Good to know. All right, so on the right hand side over here, the joys of messing with a lifted Jeep. You got a tab over here that you're gonna disconnect. And then you got a grommet here holding the cable that you're gonna have to push out and bust. Suggest using a flathead. And one more connection back here in the back. Put that down there. One more connection back here in the back. We just want to push in and pull up. All right. And so now we got it. Now the other pain is trying to get this thing to work its way out of here, because they've got it locked in there with a whole bunch of other cables. So you might have to finagle it all kinds of ways here. And then that's it. Factory stuff's off. All right, so these bolts right here are gonna be 10 millimeter. We're gonna need to loosen those up so we can get the cable back behind. I say cable, so we can get the hose back behind it that plugs into the back of the engine. Got two of those, and they're both 10 millimeter. All right, so with this J&L oil separator, right here you got an open spot on the fender up underneath the hood where it's got a 10 millimeter, and all you're going to do is put the 10 millimeter on there. Comes with a 10 millimeter bolt. It's going to allow you to mount your oil separator to the fender like so. All right. You also got two little screws on top to screw the bracket into the top of the oil catch can itself. And then next we got the hose right here that's going to go into the engine itself. And again, all it is simple plug and play until you hear it click. And it clicked. Don't really like how that's got a bend in it, but okay, that'll work. All right, and then on top of that, we got the other one ran behind here, and then we've got to still put the two 10 millimeter screws back on here. Now we'll tighten those down here in a minute. And then we just gotta go run this one back over here behind and plug it in, and we're done. All right, so there is the J&L oil separator, and it plugs in right here in the intake manifold. you've got these two 10mm screws you got to take out right here to run the other hose behind here. And then you got one that's way down in there. I know it's dark, you can't see, sorry. I'm an amateur YouTuber. I'm not making millions off of this. And that's it. Alright guys, so hey, it's my first video I decided to do of any kind of install. Usually I just put the GoPro up, hit the trails, and record the trails just for my viewing pleasure later, you know. But I figured I'd give this a try. Maybe somebody else out there, you know, wants to do it, or there might be some already out there. I don't know, I haven't looked. But anyway, hey, thanks for watching.